Hi, I'm Dr. Desiree Edlin, Clinic Director of OC Back and Body Doctors. One of the more common conditions that I treat in my office is lower back pain. In fact, 90% of Americans will experience low back pain sometime in their life. So how does low back pain occur? Well, if we're looking at the spine right here, this is called the disc in between each of the vertebrae. And from poor posture, injuries, stress, over the years, your spine will develop what's called a subluxation. And that's when the spine moves or twists out of its normal alignment. When that occurs, the nerve and the disc is actually going to become compressed, therefore irritating the muscle that's attached in that area. Now, most people, when they first receive a subluxation, they have no idea that that's actually going on inside their spine. And then when the actual threshold of that subluxation meets its max, that's when your back typically will go out on you. Now, ignoring the pain is not the solution either, because if you ignore your pain, eventually it will go away. But if you still have this misalignment in the spine, it's going to continue to degenerate and deteriorate this joint. And that's how arthritis begins. So in our office here, we actually use a very unique approach to our patients that have lower back pain. And by doing that, we actually will do a nerve scan, digitized x-rays, evaluating the area to see if this is something that we can first of all help you with. And then secondly, we devise a very advanced personalized program for you, which may include chiropractic adjustments, physical therapy rehab, Pilates rehab, possibly acupuncture, or possibly massage therapy techniques. So don't just learn to live with the pain, because like I said, eventually your pain will go away. However, that degenerative process is going to continue. And if you let it go too long, that's when people actually will need surgery, because the joint and the disc has progressed to a point that you can't correct it.
Hi, my name's Steve Peters from Huntington Beach, and as a former college football player, I've experienced a lot of the bumps and bruises that come along with it, from low back pain to knee injuries to hip injuries. So I've been a believer in chiropractic for a long time, but I've never found a place like OC Back and Body Doctors and Dr. Edlin and her team, who have been able to take care of me and keep me going after all these years. So those injuries that I experienced when I was much younger haven't slowed me down, and I'm still able to do all the things I like to do and remain active. And as a bigger guy, they don't have any problems with adjusting someone of my size. And when I leave, I feel great, able to take on any tasks. So I just want to say thank you to Dr. Edlin and her staff, and recommend it for anyone.